Yo, so let us know say one nation and Imara nation. My name is Negusimara and welcome to my channel. You understand? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. You understand? Yo, some crazy thing I got about find the other day because I got some scroll through the internet. So the internet is a deadly place more time, and when certain things go up on it, it's not dead. You understand? No matter how old, from it go up on the internet, it's dead. So, I stumble upon a little thing, about JAH9 allegedly, being lesbian and them something like being caught with a girl, naked and be something and sound like a hydrant gospel man shot a voice note and the voice note gospel man leak out, you see me? So in my possession I have the voice note, you see me, I don't know me in the bag of chatting, just make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, hit notification bell. Up move, we are jump right in it right now.
Yes. There's a lot of secret I'm on ear. I screech it out. And I'm gonna get for ear. Some of the secret them.
JAH9.
How comes the Nyabingi Asian Council and all of the brethren them and sistering them know say and hear this saying Queen Ifrika catch Mitzi, our sister Mitzi, our daughter Mitzi, our Wakana Mitzi, saying with JAH9 on the boat, saying the boat where Ivy and everybody go play jump and bongo Joe, catch the two of them in a room naked.
Yo, hold on there. This cannot be Rasta reggae singer JAH9. You understand what the G I talk about? And people are gonna say, yo, Negus, so when I bring up, our levity, and I'm gonna say the reason why I bring up our levity is because, and this is not me being no type of phobic or anything like that, because it's like if you don't think another person think you're phobic, I'm not with that type of thinking. But anyway, we are talking to people who just want to be logical and reasonable out here. Rastafari, when you're in Rastafari, you have to adhere to a certain set of rules. You understand? And same sex is not a part of it. Zane, I did not create that, but them deal with nature. Because in nature, the masculine and the feminine have to function together for continue life. So the Rastaman them pre-life and life continuously. You understand? No ending to life. You know what I mean? So them pre the same sex thing like against nature. And you have to, you can't disregard for them belief. Because just like when you want to believe them type of people over here, say you have to believe them type of people over, because everybody don't think the same. Everybody have them own liberty. Everybody have them own train of thought. Everybody just different. So you can't accept one people and don't accept another set of people. It's life. From so nobody na dead, nobody na get threatened and them something there. You don't know, so everybody have the right to live for them life. But anyway, I could jump back into this now. So it was crazy how the Hydrana said, what's your name there? JAH9 get caught in a bed with Queen Ifrika, daughter or sister. We don't know. But me could continue. I'm surprised because JAH9, JAH9, JAH9 pretty too, man. Yo, JAH9, JAH9. Anyway, we'll continue.
A bed. What that mean? Mitzi saying and JAH9, because she claims that she named JAH9. She can't have the name of a man. Why she have the name of a man? Saying, because I man know Jabi, Walton, and all of the Jaman them.
Yeah.
I never hear no woman have this name about Ja. Saying, so.
All right, so the Hydrana say your name JAH9 because you can't have the name of a man, Ja. You don't know say Ja is a man. Rastafari, God is a man. And not all Rastafari believe that there is a God or God is a man. Or you have different, sect where believe in a different thing. You understand? Different house in the mansion. So you have Bobo them believe something different from the 12 tribe them, and 12 tribe them believe something different from the Naya Bingi them. But when we come to realize one time Naya Bingi them never used to read Bible. Now Naya Bingi read Bible. Naya Bingi them used to burn Bible and everything. The Naya Bingi used to be, just as we call it now rugged and rough as the Bobo Shanti them, but the Bobo Shanti them read Bible and them thing there. See me, but now we see the Naya Bingi them start read Bible too, but you don't know, I say it goes still. Evolution always take place. But yeah. So the G say, yo, you don't name no JAH9, you name JAH9 because you can't have the name of a man. Rastafari is a man, you understand? But anyway, make we continue because this is not the only voice note. If another one that's or swipe over another one,
On the ship, saying when Mitzi a fuck JAH9 and JAH9 a fuck Mitzi. When you know what I talk about all of that. Saying what that under the carpet, it sweep under the carpet or it under the cellar or under the wait under. I'm on hear them thing there. Saying so none of them thing there is acceptable in I for the house or around the house or in the yard.
You see? Hold on, go pause that real quick. So just like what I said a couple minutes ago, they don't accept certain things in Rastafari. Just like how you're supposed to eat, they have a way to eat in Rastafari. Eat nothing with face, nothing with private part of them thing there. You see me? Because me used to be Rastafari for 7 years. You see me? I said the last 2 years the thing water down, so I got some man trim out of respect for it. Because I say, you know what? I jump from religion, running into Rastafari, believing that, this is complete freedom. But I wouldn't say Rastafari is, some farmer. All right, it's not a prison, but you have confinement within Rastafari. You have ways you have to live. I didn't want to adhere to those rules anymore. So out of respect, I go some now and trim me ear and start doing my thing and start live my life. More live my life because I did not want to live my life, and the way I'm living was not in, it's not aligned with the belief of Rastafari. So I go some and part ways and cut me ear. You see me? And Bobby, JAH9, if this real, mama, if this real, just low out reggae music. Because this is the thing, And me now say, yo, you have to do it because there's a way to say things and a way to go about things. But the reason why I say that, I don't know Rastafari alone, because you want to know why I say that? Because this is, a certain levity where there's certain do's and don'ts. And this is one of the do's and don'ts, mama. You see what I say? So, I love it either way, you see me? I love it either way because I still think you're pretty and them thing there. But if you say you're Rastafari, you can't live that way there. So it's either, you have to go pick one of them. It's a contradiction. It's like island water, you see me? But anyway, we'll continue,
Saying, so these type of things and this type of behavior, saying, and you not hide it. Why you not hide it? You not hide it for? Question sign, why you not hiding it? I want to know, say, Mitzi and JAH9 get caught, saying, because the daughter go catch them. Saying Queen Africa come and the Naya Bingi come talk that.
Whoa. So, everybody know then. Because if Queen Africa got the Naya Bingi Council, and this is where everybody congregate, you understand? And discuss, remember one time, one of the first time, well, not the first time still, but one of the first time, like a lot of people hear about the Naya Bingi Council was when, Rastafari try to get by them intellectual property because them say like everybody use Rastafari symbol, Rastafari color, everybody make money for Rastafari, so, them they are sue and them thing and but when you go so boom now and the man say Queen Africa went to the Naya Bingi Council and say it, so that means that everybody in the reggae fraternity know now because Rastafari are a human being. People are gonna talk, and furthermore, the way how them a live is not in alignment with Rastafari. So you're going to have a lot of naysayers and you're going to have a lot of people who talk about it. So that means that the whole of Rastafari, even people who want a Rastafari, people who do reggae music know about this. But we don't hear about them something, you see me? But I could go to them now and continue.
And A fire, you know. The fire. A fire. Fire.
So it look like it done this, you know. Alright then, so me definitely gonna use a couple of them fire there as a sound bite, you know, like one of them look effects at me. You see me? Yeah, I forgot use the fire there. Fire. The man say fire about 5 million times. The place abundant to bomb clot. But anyway, you don't know me I say still. JAH9, mama, I still love you either way, you see me? I'm not gonna lie to you. I still gonna support you either way. Zane. But if you say you're Rastafari, mama, you can't live the lifestyle there. And if you want to live the lifestyle, you can't go say Rastafari. I just one or the other because it's a big contradiction. Big contradiction. You sing about the king and queen crown same time and all these things. So, what you believe in really? You understand what I say? But anyway, me not chastise JAH9 and nothing. Just they are create content. I'm going to find this. I'm going to say, this sound pretty interesting because the reason why I want to do a video upon this is because the whole Sizzler and Spice and Foota Hype thing when Sizzler come out and I say, Spice for withdraw from the LGBTQ show where them have over Canada. You see me? So I say, if the whole Rastafari know say JAH9 gay allegedly and them catch her with woman in a bed, Queen Africa daughter or sister, how come Sizzler I go want to tell Spice for withdraw from show? Me not understand that. Oh, Sizzler I go tell Spice for withdraw from show when time people in a reggae and people in the Rastafari community know say JAH9 get catch with woman in a bed. Me not understand. So, priorities. Me would have looked to Sizzler talking about JAH9 and leave Spice alone because Spice and a Rastafari. Spice not a Rastafari. Me never hear Spice say, yo, JAH! Rastafari is Imperial Majesty Haile King Selassie the first. Never. But you want to rush Spice. Now, Foota Hype and Spice, them depend equal battleground. None of them are Rastafari. This is just a conscious and moral battle. But when it comes to Sizzler now in have no place. If this is true, and everybody know in a Rastafari, Sizzler now have no place to tell Spice for yo, I don't know, say One Nation, I'm Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. You understand what I say? Make me know what you think in the comments because I still love JAH9. Not change. I still rate your mama. Still rate your music. You understand? Steam as a bubble. Up move. I don't know say One Nation.